Hello and welcome. We're going to get started and we're going to go down to the email departments for our next section. Okay, the email departments are really cool. So it allows you to take your contact page, your Adilas quotes, or your quotes and your invoices, and be able to send those to 3 different departments, or have 3 different email addresses you can send them to if you desire. So one department can handle quotes, one department can handle invoices, and one department can handle customer relationships. Okay, so for our first one, contact email is just where you want your customer contacts messages to go. So that will just be the little contact us on your e-commerce page. And we can go ahead and show you that really quick. So let's go home. Let's go view web inventory. Click on in so we can go into our e-commerce. And the contact email will be where this email will go to. Okay, let's jump back over here. And so now we have our quote/order emails. And so they're really the same thing as we'll learn in the next section. The quote or the order is the exact same thing. It produces a quote inside of Adilas. We just call it different for different corporations. Like I'd prefer to make an order versus I'd prefer to make a quote. And with those two, we've created 2 different paths so that you can have a quote and an order, but you can have different verbiage that goes with them. So as we come down, we can choose some options for that quote or order email. We can use it. We can send it to ourselves and to our customers, or just either one. This is where the email address to send that information to. So if you're sending it to yourself, this would be your email that you want to use it. The other one will pull in the customer's email. This right here is the quote email message, and this one is the order email message. And so what we'll do is we'll click on the pictures to kind of see. And so we can look down here, and this one is a quote, and so you'll get a quote message. It says, "Thank you for submitting a quote. One of our representatives will be contacting you in the next 24 hours. So let's click over, because that's the next picture, will be the order invoice message. And this one says, your order will be ready for pickup in the next 24 hours. And so you can just put different messages based on what pathway they go. And I'll explain that a little bit more in the next section. All right, the next one is invoices. And same with quotes. You can have it sent to yourself and to the customer, or just to one or the other. These things will also show up inside your system. It's just kind of nice to get another feed so that people can run off of those emails and create orders and whatnot. You just put the email in here that you want the invoice emails to go to, and then your message. And it's just like the quotes or the orders. It will show up right here on the invoice. And that does it for our email departments.